There's the switches for each cabinet and latches. Doors each need latches. Starting the canvas in the cockpit. The hardware for the anchor locker. Trim around the new fabrics. Starting the showers. Each cabinet has to have a stop and latches. Finishing last of the handles. The plumbing underneath the sink. The trim for the forward window. The corner seat finally made. Trimming out the window in the master stateroom, the escape hatch. Each door, each cabinet has handles, hinges, stops, latches. There's some more that aren't done yet in the shower, staining the last part of the cabinet. There's the full piece of fabric instead of small pieces. It was done in small pieces and looked like shit, so we had to sew it. Match the wood. It was just not matched. The windows, we got the gaskets. We're going to install them. As you can see, one piece of fabric as opposed to a bunch of sections. And the corner cushion on the other side done. The frame around the electrical panel stained. The door on the trash compactor. All the door handles on. The escape hatch in the guest stateroom, working on that.